So friends, if you are in a situation where you are busy and you get an important call at that time but you cannot receive, but you don't want to miss that call either, then no need to worry. You can set a call reminder for that particular contact. And if you don't know how to set reminder, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Now, in order to set call reminder, all you have to do is just simply go to phone application, and if you have a missed call from that contact, just simply swipe left on that contact and select clock like icon. It will show you multiple reminder option. First is remind me in 1 hour, second is remind me tonight, next is remind me tomorrow, and the last option is remind me later. So if you're going to get free in 1 hour and at that time if you get a chance to call back, then you can set reminder for 1 hour, and depending on your requirement you have multiple options. Suppose if you want to set a custom reminder, then select last option which says remind me later, and it will take you to the next page. Now on this particular page, at the top you will be able to see the contact. If you want to add any note, you can add it, and down here you get an option of date and time. So if you want to select a specific date, tap on date option and you can choose the date. Apart from that, if you go down, if you want to choose a specific time, make sure the toggle is on, and if you tap on time, you can select a specific time over here. So after setting up date and time, next thing is if you want to repeat the reminder, you have that option as well. You can repeat it on hourly basis or daily basis, and once everything is done, just simply tap on this tick mark option. Now once you set a reminder, you get a dedicated option of reminder over here, and you can check out the recent call list down here. And one more thing, you can also check the call reminder in reminders app as well. So at the selected time and date, you will receive the notification, and then you'll come to know that you have to call back to a specific contact. So yes, this is how simple it is to set call reminder in iPhone, and this feature is available with iOS 26. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.